Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel again. In this tutorial, today we'll see how to download and set up MySQL Workbench in Mark M3, M2 or M1. So download MySQL Workbench, click on here, MySQL Workbench, download. Then you click on this workbench, then you can see it is selected macOS default. Because mine is macOS, you can use any of your other systems. If you're using Windows, Ubuntu, anything you can use, click on macOS. Mine is macOS. So, and it is asking for a x86 64-bit, or you want ARM 64. So mine is AM3, so I'll choose ARM. So click on download. So now it is asking for login and sign up. No, not needed at all. So I'll click on no thanks. I just start my download and it will take few seconds. You can see my download here. I can see the download progress. So now the download is complete. Now click on this. Now once you click on this download for download, it is showing MySQL Workbench. So it is asking to be moved into the application. So you can click, it will open, otherwise you can drag and pull into the my application. So now we have dragged and pulled. So now you can see it is moved to my application. Now go here, type MySQL. It will take few seconds to get reflected. Yeah, now it's reflected. Awesome. Click on it, MySQL Workbench, and it will ask MySQL Workbench is an app or want to app downloaded from internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, open it. Click on it. It is open. Now you can see now by default it is connected to my local instance, my local MySQL server, which is running. Earlier in my video I have shown how to download MySQL server in your MacBook. If you want to check if MySQL server is running or not, go to system setting. On the bottom you can see MySQL. My MySQL server is running. Okay, so I have created a old video. You can go and check how to download MySQL server. Now click on this if you want to connect to our local MySQL instance. Now it's asking for password, and you have to remember the password of MySQL server whenever you are downloading it. So I have given some password. Now I have to give it here. Okay, awesome. Now it's connected to our local instance of MySQL server. You have to give correct password, then it is connected. Okay, now this done. MySQL Workbench download is done. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. If you like, if it helped you, please don't forget to like my video.